This means you're endlessly interesting to be around. You're always trying to be kind. You don't like wasting your time on those around you.
Now then, doing a little POV. Just coming along the A19 to join Coast Road, heading up to a job in Jasmine to drop some stuff off. And what a sunrise that was coming along there, man. Amazing. Once I've dropped these two bits off, just high up them straight off, leave the lads to it. I'm away down to Middlesbrough to the docks. Oh yes. Got a bit of gear to pick up down there. So it's not the best time in the world. 7:30, 20 to 8 heading into Newcastle Lake, but it ain't too bad. Just everyone's in a hurry. Just block any more people who want to try and do that. So, see what the day brings. Oh yeah, Gosforth as well today. Pick some gear up. And that'll be it. Just see the transporter bridge there in the distance. Just to the right, I don't think you'll be able to pick it up just yet. Teeside. Nicknamed the Smoggies to us Geordies. As in smog monsters. Due to its industrial history and all the smoke that used to bellow out of the factories and whatnot. There's a few there still, but not like it used to be. A lot of jobs lost in this area. So Teesport, where I'm going now, it's a free trading port, and I reckon it's just going to blow up soon, like get huge and super busy with it being a free port. So hopefully that'll keep a few people in the job and bring many more in for them as well. Lost a lot of jobs around here, man. Port Clarence. The weight limit here is you go through a small village really. It's not bridge related weight limit or anything like that. I don't go to it this way, but when I came through last week I had to come in via the other route and it just took you through the little town. is, all the lads are on the bait at 10 o'clock, so I can just get stuff sorted. Switch off for now.